Minisita w'ibyamagara kusima USAID obutumwa bwe buhirwe Dr. Daniel Chabahinzi owa Minisitiri w'ibyamagara aha murundo gwa kabiri mu kushijuma kw'ibyamagara okubyemeriro muri Kigeze region emikoreji ekorirwa muhoro ya Mutorere Boys SS mu district ya Tsoro kandi yitabirwemo abibyamagara okurwa mu district ya Rukunjiri, Kanungu, Rukiga, Rubanda hamwe na Kabare.
We are doing what we call the joint review mission. It's a peer review where we look at our performance as a region. This region has 6 districts, and you know them which make Kigezi. The performance is based on specific indicators. Some of the indicators include immunization, support supervision, and we do have what we call a league table ranking on certain disease elements.
Nagira ngo USAID neta mesenti nyinji okureba ngo buri kimwe cyakorwa nukwe kushaba ngo bagumizemo babakwase.
So when we come as districts, we compare notes. What are the indicators? How many people are being vaccinated? What is DPT3 level? What are the people on HIV treatment? How many are suppressing their virus? What is the beyond malaria treatment? Where have you done the service? What interventions are you offering? What is family planning level?
Dr. Daniel nagira ngo barukushijuma okureba uko bakozera mu byamagara na neshigendererwa cyo kwenda gukora jemerumo y'ebyamagara umucanga. Dr. Gloria Kasozi mishona wa USAID mu Uganda, US government nehereza Uganda miliyoni ziri kurenga 500 buri mwaka na neshigendererwa cyo kurinda abanya-Uganda okukwatwa uburwire.
As the largest contributor of health assistance to Uganda, the US government invests over 500 million in the Uganda health sector each year. But our support is not just a dollar figure. It is a commitment from the American people to promote health.
Nagira ngo USAID neyende nkwatanisa na Uganda okurinda amagara g'abantu abakazi n'eminyeto kucendeza okukwatwa uburwire.
For instance, the teenage pregnancies, the low modern contraceptive use, mortality, etc. So addressing these challenges requires concerted and increased effort together.
We have so many tourist activities and attraction areas. Tomorrow, when you finish the JLI, do not just keep your vehicles on. You can have the night here and you visit Bili.
So in the UGH S survey of 2022, they found out, the survey revealed that the starting rates in Kigezi, is it okay, are above the national average of 24.
Abel Bizimana watachira ba USAID ngo bushumo buryo mu Uganda na munongo mwishengero bugarize nyime by'amagara amakuru akagasha kwa keta tuzaridwe.